Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Yali Chapkani. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Korhan family. Even though his son Orhan and oldest grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Farid, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Halis can't take any more of Farid's recklessness and he charges his widowed daughter-in-law Ifakat with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Hali Saga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazim's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazim's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters Suna and Seyran. Number 9. Karal Kai Bedar se. The series follows Kinan Baran, a successful businessman in a troubled marriage with his wife Handan. His affairs force her to confront her self-worth, while Kinan's life is turned upside down by Fadi, a young woman from a poor background. Their relationship leads to a downfall that changes everything, exploring the power struggle between control and freedom. Number 8. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul. Bir Zaman Lar Istanbul brings to life a Korolu style epic of two young individuals standing against the oppressors of their era. The story follows Ali, portrayed by Jahangir Jahan, and Seher, played by Alina Bose, whose quest for justice begins in school hallways and transforms them into a duo that shakes the balance of Istanbul's criminals underworld. Ali and Seher, students from different faculties of the same university, cross paths during a debate competition, arguing the question: is it society or personal choice that drives a person to crime? These shared ideals bring them together in a fight for love and justice against the mafia network that cast a shadow over Istanbul. These two young hearts will stand tall like Korolu. Number 7. Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by four friends born and raised in a town called Zambili with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 6. Uzak Shahar. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is now indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave, confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region. Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 5. Syakalp. Sumru left the children she gave birth to at a young age and built a new life and family for herself. Malik and Nu learned their mother's identity from their grandmother's final words and set out to find her. Sumru, who is now married to one of Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen, Samit, continues her lavish life with the children she had with him. However, she has different plans regarding Samit's son from his first marriage, Jihan. The paths of Malik and Nu, who are seeking to confront their mother, will unexpectedly cross with Jihan and his reluctant fiancée, Sibilai. Number 4. Leila Hayat Ashk Adalat. Young Leila's life spirals into disaster when her father Hilmi marries Noor, the beautiful young woman who once cared for Leila's late mother. Blinded by love, Hilmi doesn't see the torment Leila's new stepmother inflicts on her, turning their home into a living nightmare. Tragically, Hilmi realizes too late that Noor is not who she seems. Paying for his mistake with his life, left homeless and alone, Leila swears revenge on the woman who destroyed her family and stole her life. Years later, Leila returns under the guise of Ella, a talented chef hired by Noor, who is now living in luxury with her new partner, former football star Tofu. But things take a complicated turn when Leila's childhood savior Chino reappears in her life as Jivan, Noor's adopted son. Number 3. Bir KJ Masali. Mahir, whose father was assassinated in the city of Denizli by Kurshad Kilimchi, returns 20 years later as a police inspector, determined to avenge his father's death. On his first day back, he has a fateful encounter with a mesmerizing girl named Jan Fiza, the daughter of Kurshad, and instantly falls in love. As Mahir searches for this mysterious woman, he also keeps a close watch on Kurshad, waiting for him to slip up. Mahir realizes his chance will come at the wedding of Kurshad's daughter, but what he doesn't know is that this event will change his life forever, marking the beginning of a night filled with unexpected twists. Number 2. Ayazin Sonu Gunesh. Gunesh is a young woman who has just graduated from university and is about to go to London to pursue her ideals. She is forced to give up all her dreams when her brother is imprisoned as a result of a slander. Vowing to save her brother from the hell he has fallen into, Gunesh infiltrates the life of Ayaz, who she thinks is the cause of the situation. Ayaz is unaware that he will pay with love for the big mistake he caused while trying to protect the conglomerate he inherited and his loved ones, while Ayaz, who has been used to living behind the walls he has built in his heart for years, breaks down these walls with the presence of Gunesh. Gunesh cannot avoid being caught between his feelings and revenge. Ayaz and Gunesh will fight a battle in a journey woven with secrets, and love will be both their salvation and their captivity. Number 1. Bahar. Bahar 20 years ago graduated from medical school but chose to be a housewife instead of pursuing a career in medicine. She is married to the successful surgeon Taimur Yavuzolu and has dedicated her life to her husband and children. The seemingly happy Yavuzolu family is shaken by Bahar's illness. Bahar's doctor Avran is determined to save her and says that the only solution is a liver transplant. The only compatible liver in the family belongs to Temur. For the Yavuzolu family who are tested with a major threshold, nothing will be the same again. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.